Natural gas traded with little swing, setting the lows close to 3.4. We have seen a good recovery, though we have seen a modest range bound movement, but yes, it is closed in green and it is closed at the top at 3.54. So, can we consider this for a reversal? Are we looking forward to a breakout move here in natural gas? Is it again going to trade beyond 3.6, 3.8? Or this was just a minor retracement? Let's wait for another round of drop all the way towards 3.2. Remember, in my updates, we have mentioned that 3.2, 3.4 zone, this zone is going to remain crucial for natural gas. Precisely, it has achieved, it appears, and it is now trying to bounce back. So, is it a reversal? Let's see. Also, this is a weekly forecast. I do share my daily updates on natural gas, so do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, to watch till the end. Now, let's start with the weekly charts here. See what's happening in natural gas. Look at the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Now, it is clear that it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. And for it to confirm any kind of reversal, the price has to trade below 4, beyond $4 zone. Once it trades beyond 4, that is the point of time you can say now this is the time for a reversal and a rally in natural gas. Yes, with the onset of winters here in US and with the onset of winters, definitely there could be an increase in demand. This might spike the prices a little while, but right now too early to jump onto that conclusion. And if you look at the move here, see what has happened. First, an exponential rise was seen, and then a pullback candle. But interestingly, what we had seen on the weekly charts was a crossover on the moving averages, and now this zone becomes the strongest support for natural gas. Thus, as long as 3.2, 3.4 zone is not taken, you should not be treating natural gas as bearish. And in fact, till 3.05 and then 2.97. Remember, till since 2.97, I had mentioned that we are going to remain bullish in natural gas. What has happened? We had seen a 30% spike here all the way towards 3.8. So now again these levels are going to play an important role. Now let's focus on the last couple of candles. See a pullback, then a drop, and it is bounce back. Now I'll wait for it to trade beyond the crucial number at 3.56 and 3.6. If in the coming week prices trades beyond 3.6, you can just stay bullish from there. What you can expect here, you can expect 3.7 to 76 as the next target, and beyond this it is going to rally towards the moon. Though right now, since last couple of weeks, we can see the momentum is not so aggressive here. So we have to wait for it to give us a clear signal. And also notice it is trading in this bearish channel here, almost at the top of the channel. It is reversed, so 3.8 is going to be a definitely stronger hurdle for gas to break beyond. Look at the stochastic. Now if you see the stochastic, if you look at the move here, divide this into two, you can find out a symmetry. What preceded this was a good rise, what could follow is a good drop. So at current levels you have to be careful, and thus a drop below 3.4 in the coming week. You can stay with the cells. You can expect 3.35, 3.28, 3.2 levels. And if it trades below 3.2, we will wait for 3.05. But remember, look at the stochastic. This is trading at the top. Look at MACD. See the MACD here after retracing has just crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is a good supportive sign for the bulls. And that is why last week itself I had mentioned that possibly the lows are done and we can wait for a reversal here. So now coming week, any move beyond 3.6 should be a very good indication for further bullishness here in gas prices. The RSI, if you look at it, is trading comfortably. Coming to daily chart, look at daily charts here, rise, sideways movement. Again a stronger rise, a retracement. Now when you connect the highs and the lows, you can find out it is trading clearly in this bullish channel on the daily charts. And see the candle it has showed. What a beautiful candle. Series of bearish candle, triple bottom, and then a recovery. What a huge recovery it has shown. So possibly it could open up the week on a bullish note. Possibly we can see a move towards 3.6 and beyond 3.6, 3.7276, or in fact 3.8 will be seen here. Now what it is trying to do, remember, it is staying in this channel. The highs of this channel are now aiming towards 4. The more time it spends here, the higher the targets are going to be. Look at the moving averages. These have crossed over. These are trading bullish here. And even if it tries to take a dip till towards 3.2, you should not be bearish. And then below 3.2, expect 3.05, the strongest one, and 2.97, the strongest one. These two levels are going to remain a crucial hurdle for net gas. See the supports here, and these support levels are again going to be stronger one. If you see the stochastic hitting oversold zone now trying to recover, this is also a good indication for further bounce back. Look at MACD. Now, this is the only worry point I have because see, MACD has seen a good rise. It has crossed over at the top and it has traded bearish. Now, what it is trying to do, it is trying to converge here. Only a crossover can lead towards the movement towards the top, and then the prices are going to hit $4 levels here. Remember, a movement beyond 4 will confirm a stronger rally in the natural gas prices, which might take it all the way towards 4.5, 4.6, or in fact $5 zone. If it can drop sharp, we had seen such many such sessions in the last couple of years or more, it can bounce back sharp as well. So let's wait. RSI now trying to bounce back. It is already trading at a comfortable zone and taken a good hit here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, interesting to see the bottoming it has done at 3.4, and what a good move it is shown from these levels. Now it is important to note that it has come towards the crucial milestone. But look at the move here. See, this was a quite gradual move. This is a vertical ascent. Now vertical ascent means there is stronger bullishness prevailing, which also indicates, see, it is close at you can say top, and now once it starts, it might deliver a gap up open, and thus 3.6 appears achievable. 3.66, 3.72, 3.76 are going to be the next milestones for natural gas, and then 3.8 will appear. It can in fact show you a complete recovery from these levels. Now see this, moving averages have crossed over here. Now these are again trying to cross over for a buy. So again 3.56, 3.6 is the zone you should watch out for, beyond which more bullish momentum should prevail here. Stochastic rising, MACD rising here. See, MACD after hitting the bottom, crossed over, looking upwards, supportive for further rise here. Also, this crossover has come at a quite lower levels. Remember, when the prices previous crossover was seen, when the prices were far below towards 3.05, 3.2 zone, and now it is coming at 3.4. So possibly the highs are going to be towards $4 levels here, and that is why if you see it breaking out on the first trading session, stay with the buys. RSI rising, which is indeed a supportive sign for further rise here. Coming to the monthly. Now if you look at the monthly chart, see, since the decline here, the sharper decline here, we had seen a retracement, then lower lows, now higher highs here. Now if you connect the lows and the highs, you'll find that on the monthly charts, the net gas is now trying to trade in this retracement channel. And in the near future, maybe 3 to 6 months down the lane, you may see in fact gas breaching past $6 levels here. But too early to jump onto that conclusion. Our focus is only on the coming week. And when you look at the coming week here, when you look at the monthly chart, see, look at the move. What has happened here? It is almost symmetrical, isn't it? Look at this candle, a reversal, these two candles symmetrical. What happened with the preceding candle? It has hit the highs above 4, and now it is trying to bounce back. So it is possible that it can attain the highs what we had seen in the preceding candle, 4.2 zone. And I think this month is definitely going to end up in green. I do not see it closing in red. And for it to close in red, it has to trade below 3.2 and 3 levels here. And that is why I say till 2.97, at least do not treat natural gas as bearish. You will be lucky if you see it at 2.97. The possibility of a bounce back will be very, very high. Look at the monthly stochastic hitting oversold zone, now trying to bounce back, trying to rise, supportive sign for further bullishness. Look at MACD. See, almost 2 years of this bearish cycle. Since the crossover, it is stayed bullish. Now trying to converge. And in all possibility, it may start to diverge again, which suggests that the next few months or next couple of years or more, natural gas might take a bullish path here. This is something you should be cautious of. RSI is staying flat here. So considering this, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 35th mentorship batch. The registrations are open. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Yes, in the mentorship batch, you will get all the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify the profitable trades with these. The strategies will definitely increase your winning ratio, and yes, it is applicable to anything and everything in the world. You can trade, you can trade equities, you can trade indices, you can trade crypto, you can trade commodities, including gold, silver, oil, and gas. So yes, do not miss to be part of this mentorship batch. And yes, those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. With this, first is where you should buy. In fact, if you see it staying beyond 3.55, you can buy here. Expect 3.6. Now, staying beyond 3.6 is where you can expect the bullishness to prevail. 3.66, 3.72, and then 3.755 and 3.8. Now, till 3.8, it has got very good resistance here. Beyond 3.8, ideally I'll be looking at 3.934, and beyond 4, sky is the limit towards 4.2. Remember, these are markets and this is natural gas. If it can correct sharp, it can rise sharp, and vice versa is also equally applicable. So now once it starts to deliver the breakout, the bullishness might increase as in how it moves away from 3.6, 3.8 zone, more bullishness should prevail here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only at 3.5, expect 3.45, 3.4. Now, once it trades below 3.4, include 3.38 as the next, and then 3.325. Then you can expect 3.27 and 3.2. Now, 3.2, very, very good support here. Below 3.2, 3.05 the next, and then 2.97. Till 2.97, natural gas should not be treated as bearish. It can in fact show you a stronger recovery, and that is what I am expecting. I am not expecting it to trade below 3.2 or in fact 3.05 levels, at least in the month of October. If it does trade below this, then you can say it's a reversal and then the crash might follow. But right now, I'll say a possible bounce back cannot be denied. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.